Hey everyone, welcome to Living It Country. I'm Holly, and today we're gonna be doing 3 really easy Valentine's Day DIYs. Now, I don't go all out with the pinks, the reds, and the purples. I like to keep things really neutral and kind of just blend in with my everyday decor. So that's what we're gonna be doing here today. I don't really do sewing projects, so we're gonna do a no-sew project. We're gonna do a couple stamp projects, and we are also going to be using all of these DIYs on my dining room table today. So I'm gonna share my dining room table with you guys, and we're gonna decorate with these DIYs. So you're not just gonna see how to make it, you're gonna see how I style it too, so it's gonna be fun. Now this video is a loop DIY collaboration, so make sure that you go down to my description box below where you guys can watch another DIYer do some Valentine's Day DIYs after you're finished watching this one. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and let's go ahead and get started with our Valentine's Day DIY projects. Okay, so the first DIY we're gonna be doing for Valentine's today is a little, kind of like a name tag, but we're gonna be doing a Valentine's Day saying for our dining room table. So it's just gonna be kind of that fun touch of Valentine's Day on our plate. I have here, it's actually a Christmas plate from Target, but since it's red and white, you guys can use it for Valentine's Day. And then I have the Hearth and Hand napkins. Got these after Christmas for, I think it's like 80% off, which is crazy. So I am going to be taking our little mini Jenga pieces. These are called the Tumbling Tower Games. You guys can get this in the toy section of the Dollar Tree. So the leftover pieces, I'm just going to put some messages on, maybe put it in a little dough bowl, maybe have a tumbling tower game, the Jenga game, but for my kids, and have special messages on it. But this is what it looks like, and for $1, you cannot go wrong. They do have 2 different colors in here. They've got the brown, and then they've got the light wood, and I'm gonna use the light wood for this DIY project. So this is what they look like. They're super tiny, and they're perfect to just put on a little placemat, just like this. Okay, so I have these really cute, they're by Creative Cafe. They're little tiny stamps, and so we're just going to stamp on a little sweet message. I'm gonna do XOXO or love, and it's just gonna have a cute little Valentine's Day message. XOXO. The next DIY we are gonna be making are these cute no-sew drop cloth little hearts. I love these. This one says love, and then these say my kids' names, Aria and Brody. They're super sweet to decorate on your tiered trays. If you have a tiered tray like I have behind here, they're really cute in a little dough bowl like this. And I also thought about making little pouches on these if I make the hearts a little bit bigger, and you could actually put little gift cards in them for teachers, or even like a card or a get well message. So this is a super cheap DIY. Using Dollar Tree materials as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this DIY. So the first thing you're gonna need is drop cloth for this project. You guys can get this at Home Depot, Lowe's. It's super cheap. I actually just cut this out of my curtain the other day, so to make these right here. So I just had this leftover piece, and they actually sell it on the Dollar Tree website as well. So I can link that down below for you if you'd like. But I also have this little heart-shaped cutout that I did for my FabFitFun box, my cardboard box. So I'm just going to trace this 2 times so that we have one for the top part and one for the bottom. So super easy to trace, just like that. Of course, we gotta do some red for Valentine's Day. And you guys, this project is awesome because you don't have to be perfect at it. The messiness of it makes it look super cute and authentic. Okay, so I have my 2 hearts all made, and we're gonna go ahead and put these together like this. I'm gonna go ahead and use my glue gun over here. I have this all heated up, and I'm just going to glue around it. making sure that there's a little entryway because we're gonna put some stuffing. And then I'm just gonna take this piece and put it right on top, just like that. And then of course I have my stuffing right here. This is a really simple solution to cheap stuffing. I'm gonna take these cotton balls, Dollar Tree cotton balls, and I'm just going to fluff it up. Now we're going to take the heart and we're gonna find the little spot with the opening and we're just gonna stuff it. And you guys, if there's spots that didn't get glued well enough, we can fix that in a little bit. It's super easy because this is an easy DIY project. I love it. I used to make something similar to these as a kid, and it just brings me back to that time. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this shut just by adding some glue inside. Look how cute that is, you guys. We're gonna take it an extra step further, and I'm gonna take the scrapped pieces of drop cloth and I'm just gonna cut a little triangle, not a triangle, excuse me, a rectangle. Right here. And I'm going to take my heart, put a little bit of glue, put this on, just like that. We're gonna put XOXO on it. XO? Can add that right into here. Okay, so the next DIY was inspired by the FM Farmhouse quarterly subscription box. In my last box, they sent me wood slices with beautiful farmhouse logos on them, and I thought, I wanna recreate these for Valentine's Day. So I just already made an Ambra one because I thought it'd be so cute. So I'm gonna do a couple of XOXOs on here to make it a little bit more Valentine's Day friendly, but I thought that this DIY kind of video would be super cute to just incorporate stamps in all of the projects and show you guys how easy you guys can just make something look beautiful with just simple stamps. Now here's a few more that I've already made. Kiss, I love you, and XOXO. All perfect for Valentine's Day. And you guys could simply gift this to a teacher, your mom, your friend, by just adding a little bit of this twine. I got this, oh goodness, last year after Christmas at Michael's for I think 80% off or something ridiculous. And all you have to do is literally wrap it up with a bow, tie it with a bow, and it looks so darling. How cute is that? Okay, you guys, now that my DIYs are all accomplished, I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along, show you guys how I styled everything, and yeah. So right here, I have the little XOXOs on my little plates from Target and my Hearth and Hand napkins. I have XOXOs on everybody's. For Christmas time, it'd be perfect to put a little message like, I don't know, Holly, or that's my name, so I just thought of that, but a little Christmas message, joy, Noel. Right here in my dough bowl, I actually reused this from a candle that I got from White Pine Vintage. And once I was done, I scraped it all out and now have my little sweet Valentine's Day hearts. The great thing about these is you guys can leave them up all year long because hearts are all year long, you guys. And then I've just got my table runner right here. I got that from Target. They mispriced it. It was supposed to be $24.99 and it rang up at $2.49, which was crazy. And there was nothing Target could do about it. So I got a great deal. And then I just have a little wreath underneath my 3-tier tray. I've got my kids' photos, lots of faux plants. I got this sweet little sign from the FM Farmhouse box. That is from Lauren from Something Gray. I've got my wood coasters, My milk reclamation barn candle, another little heart. You guys, this little photo, hopefully you guys can see it. This is of my kids. My daughter's crying because it was cold out. We were just getting family photos at a barn. But yeah, this is my simple table. I have a 2-year-old, almost 2-year-old, and a 4-year-old. So we like to keep things very simple and as clean as we possibly can. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe it got you some inspiration for your own home, keeping things very minimal for Valentine's Day, but also fun and festive. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make sure you guys check out the links down below so you guys can go to the next Loop DIYer, and make sure to subscribe to Live in a Country for more videos. I'll see you guys later. Bye.